Welcome to RootAMZ, where creativity meets innovation in the world of e-commerce design, your trusted partner in e-commerce growth. Today, we're diving into an innovative and visually striking design concept, the glass effect Amazon brand story. Let's explore how to create this unique design to captivate your customers and elevate your brand. Amazon brand stories are a powerful way to connect with your customers and communicate your brand's essence. But with thousands of sellers competing for attention, how do you stand out? The answer lies in creativity and innovation. RootAMZ has developed a stunning glass effect design that blends modern aesthetics with engaging storytelling to grab customer attention and boost conversions. A glass effect design adds a sleek, modern, and premium look to your Amazon brand story. This design uses layered transparency, reactions, and soft gradients to create a visually appealing, professional look that captures customer attention. First, plan your brand story layout. Think about the elements you want to highlight your brand's journey, product features, and unique selling points. Remember, the story should flow naturally, guiding the customer through your brand's narrative. Next, let's create the glass effect. Start with a semi-transparent layer with a frosted glass appearance. Add a blur effect to give it a polished and soft look. Layer this with subtle gradients to enhance depth and add text or icons with clean, modern fonts. Now customize the design to re-echo your brand's identity. Use your brand colors, high-quality product images, and compelling headlines to make the story uniquely yours. Finally, ensure your design aligns with Amazon's brand story guidelines. Optimize image sizes, keep text clear and concise, and ensure your design is mobile-friendly. Here's how we do it. Step 1. Understand your brand message. Start by identifying the core values and story of your brand. A well-crafted story forms the backbone of a compelling design. Step 2. Leverage design tools. Using tools like Adobe Photoshop or Canva, we create transparent and layered effects that mimic a glassy appearance. This technique brings elegance and depth to your visuals. Step 3. Add engaging content. Combine stunning visuals with concise, impactful content that communicates your brand story. Use bullet points, headings, and eye-catching text placement to keep it clear and professional. Here's a preview of the glass effect Amazon brand stories we've created for brands like Panther Martin and Sea Eagle Boats. Notice how the sleek transparency highlights the brand's identity while keeping the design clean and modern. At RootAMZ, our expert designers specialize in creating Amazon brand stories that are not just visually stunning, but also strategically designed to drive engagement and boost sales. Want to transform your Amazon brand story into a work of art? RootAMZ offers expert design services tailored to your brand's needs. Let us handle the creativity while you focus on growing your business. Ready to elevate your Amazon brand story? Partner with RootAMZ today, and let's create something extraordinary together. Book a free consultation now